Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to turn on and use the Do Not Disturb mode feature on your Android smartphone. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. All you have to do is swipe up on your home screen and select the Setting Gear button. And then you want to go down and select Notifications. And then scroll down again underneath General where it says Do Not Disturb. Go ahead and click inside of here. So if you want to turn that on now, just select that. And you can make additional subcategory modifications as well if you want to allow certain notifications to come through. So if you select people, for example, you can allow certain messages from certain contacts to be allowed to notify you even if Do Not Disturb is turned on. And you can also set schedules for Do Not Disturb mode, as well as durations for quick settings too. So different subcategories you can review here, but you can see we've just turned on Do Not Disturb. And here are the categories below that you can make further adjustments to as you see fit. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.